Hello everyone, so today we're going to make an object detector using a Scratch-based coding platform called PICTOBLOX. So let's get started. To begin with, we're going to open PICTOBLOX and create a new project. Again, we're going to use the extension, which is at the bottom left corner. So let's click it. And then let's get this object detection. Again, once you click it, it will ask you to wait for some time. Okay, so now you can see different object detection blocks. So we have here the settings, and then we have analyze image. So first we need a sprite that will locate the different objects in the image, whether a live image or a readily uploaded image to the PictoBlocks. So right now we have Toby as our sprite, but we will change it. So let's first delete Toby and then go to the sprite library. We're going to use the square box as our new sprite, and now you can see that our sprite is on the stage. And then after that, we're going to choose a backdrop. We're going to upload a backdrop from our PC, and I'm going to use this backdrop. Okay, and then let's click again the blocks, right? Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're going to make now a script. Okay, starting with, we're going to click the object detection extension, and then we're going to get analyze image from, because we're going to analyze the image from the stage, so we're going to change it to stage. And then let's get the green flag to trigger the event. So when the green flag is clicked, the machine will analyze the image from the stage. As you can see on the stage, now there are bounding boxes in each object. Okay, so next step is that we're going to make a new variable. So let's click variable, and then let's make a new variable. Let's name it as object, and then let's click OK. And then now you see that we have here object with 0. Okay, and then let's going to get this set my variable to 0, and we're going to change my variable into object. All right. Okay, so now for the size of the object, we want our detector to analyze also the size. Okay, our sprite to cover the size of the objects in the image. So we're going to get the size to set the size from the looks. Let's get this block, and then it says set the size to 100, and then let's get this class of object, and we're going to put it inside, and we're going to change the class into width. Okay, now what about the location? Okay, so for the location, we're going to set the x and y position. Let's go to the motion. Okay, and then let's set x, and then again we're going to get the class of object block and then change it to x position. And then for setting the y position, let's go back to motion, set y, and then again go back to object detection extension. Let's get this class of object and change it to y position. Right. Now, for us to name also the objects in the image, we have to get this say hello blocks. And then again, for the name, we're going to use the class of object block. So the class tells us what are the names of the objects in the image. So we have this 4 blocks together, but it's not going to work manually. So we want it to work automatically. So for it to work automatically, we're going to the control palette and let's use this block, repeat until, and then let's go to operator and use this block. And then after that, we're going to go to object detection and use get the number of objects and put it inside. All right. And then after that, we're going to go to my variables and put the object inside my options so it will be automatically updated. No need to click it one by one. Okay. And then let's get this change my variable into object, and then let's attach all these blocks all together inside this control palette. Okay, and finally, to hide the bounding boxes, let's go back to the object detection and then get this block and change show to hide. All right, so we've got here our final script. Now let's see if it's working. Okay, so now it's analyzing all three objects in the image. So first one is a person, second is a truck, and then the person again. That's my homework for today. Thank you all so much for watching. Have a great day.